Ready?
Microphone check!
You working? Are you ready? Finally?
Fucking working. Microphone. Hold on, where's my magic spoon? Well, I'll get
Hey, Ryan,
I'll eventually put on the apron, but I want
You're an hour late already.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Welcome everybody. Cook with Rick and Rye, episode 8. And we're finally, you don't even have your apron on.
No,
Sexy sausages.
that's going on after. This is Ryan's world shirt.
A new shirt?
This is my little Gracie got me this.
Nice.
As a gift. She thought it'd be cool on the cooking show.
Well, I got the power of the pink
Oh.
going today.
Anyways.
Okay, sexy sausage today. So we have Cajun turkey sausage.
Sounds great if you like turkey.
Okay, we have a rosemary turkey sausage.
Ooh, I own the turkey.
I bought different sausages.
No, it sounds like you bought turkey with different seasons.
You didn't let me finish, I got 2 left.
Okay.
Moroccan lamb sausage.
That's gonna be killer. I bet you're picking that one.
I'm gonna pick a few of them. And I have hot Italian pork sausage.
That's the one I'm picking.
Right, because you want to do...
I am doing, well, I know you're gonna do fuck about, look at me, chop, 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 zing, zing, zing. I am
chopped it already.
No, but you're gonna make fuck,
You want me to chop it again?
Look at fucking garlics, this, that, this. I'm doing fucking sausage on the grill in a fucking bun with onions, hot peppers, mushrooms, and like before, I pre-earlied.
Okay, I like that.
Pre-earlied. I did a quick pickle on my onions with some salt.
Looks good.
And to bring it up a level, champagne fucking vinegar.
Okay, I'm doing pasta, sausage pasta, so I'm gonna barbecue my sausage first. Fucker. And then I'll add shit and
Yes.
my magic, and
Yes.
Ryan will lose again.
Oh, go! Okay, so I have not lost yet. Yet, you know that. Anyways, well, message from my mom. I got to show something when we
Yeah,
talk about
okay.
winning, because
Alright.
I've won every one.
I don't think so.
So enough people
but-
haven't
okay.
watched our last episode where you got me all fucked up and made me cook outside.
Alright.
But I know I'm gonna win that one.
Alright.
But I'll show you this because I actually took some good screenshots just to make it look at
Yeah.
you at your best.
Okay. Alright.
Okay. See, your eyes look closed. If everyone remembers when we did, look at my face. Look at my face. It's beautiful. Look at it. We did scratch my cock chicken. I fucking told you I was gonna win. I fucking won. Okay. So look at zoom in on this. That's pretty cute. Okay. Remember that. Okay. We'll go to the next photo. After scratch my cock chicken, we have, I'll cross out her last name, but we have a girl named Kyra. Zoom in on that. Ryan is absolutely hilarious and his chicken looked way better. Teary laughing face, just saying teary laughing face. It was the only comment we got. We told you guys to pick who's the winner. Winner, fucking chicken dinner. Let's do this shit.
All right.
Richard, let's get
Are
ready
you
to
okay
lose.
now?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's get going. I got
I'm
everything
fucking
here.
ready. So
To the barbecue.
today's episode, I went easy. So easy's gonna beat fucking all this eccentric bullshit we're gonna do, and I'm gonna fucking drink and smoke all day long. And fuck you with that gummy shit.
All right.
And the next episode, I want everyone to comment. There's too many fucking cameras to look at. Everyone fucking comment after this episode if you wanna see Rick
Oh, right.
next show cook fucked up on a gummy. Okay? So next, I want every fucking person to comment. If I get at least 2 comments,
2.
that's all I'm looking for, too.
Okay. To the barbecue.
Well, no, I gotta do my vegetables too, man.
Oh, fuck.
Working with fucking amateurs.
Oh, right.
Hey, where's the butter?
On the table.
Fucking goddamn it.
Well, dude, I have to set everything up, buy all the food, and now I gotta cook your dinner for you?
Whatever. Hey, I heard Wingy is a fucking Brit. What the fuck is that? These are the fucking tricks this cocksucker plays.
Hey,
Oh, let's have a
no,
competition.
You can bring your own fucking butter.
No.
No, you gotta raid my house.
I was gonna bring butter. I should have called you because
See?
I was like, I know he's gonna fuck me on something today. Okay. I'm gonna need a little bit of olive oil in there too. Squirt a bit in there.
How much do you want?
Just a bit. No!
Okay, I don't know when to say when.
Come on, you're the fucking expert cook, and now all of a sudden you don't know how much.
I don't know.
Fuck you.
Okay, you're sabotaging yourself.
No, I don't sabotage shit. Everyone watches the show, they know now. Oh, look at me, prep my food in 2 seconds with a fucking samurai sword. Oh, here, Ryan, here's a fucking butter knife. Why is it taking so long to cut shit?
Here's your knife.
Yeah, see? Let's go.
Let's go. Lid.
Okay, you got the camera on?
Okay, put the lid back.
Put it back
so
down.
I can lift the lid.
So today, for Saturday's workout, was fucking arms. Look at those bad boys. So I'm gonna lift the fucking...
The way Ryan presses himself.
This is my, I brought a different vintage this week.
What'd you bring?
I brought the Northern Lights. It's been going down really good. I like it lately. Are you gonna partake in any of this?
Sure.
You're actually gonna do any of these?
Why not?
I don't think I've ever seen you do this. I'm gonna pack him one like fucking this big. Oh, look at this guy.
Okay, right. Maybe do a bong.
Yep.
So I've done my bong.
Yes.
Ready to go with the barbecue?
Fucking
Okay, so we got all our sausages
Are
here.
you gonna carry them or do you need help with that?
I can handle this.
Sure?
Let's go.
This is your shirt.
Let's go.
Holy fuck. Okay, this is fucking more than a little rain, man.
Ryan, hurry up.
Holy fuck. Okay, it's flowing over.
Okay, all right.
Oh my god, I
Ryan,
gotta,
hurry.
I gotta save it.
Hurry up. I'm almost done. These I'll finish off in the pan.
I wanna get them even. Okay, so I'm gonna take my succulent sausage out of the queue. Ah, sure, they're fucking close. Let's lock up shop.
Okay, Ryan, I'm gonna stick my pasta on.
You do that. Well, you do that because you're behind. I'm gonna start fucking plating for the win. Who's plating first now?
Yeah, but you have nothing.
I have
nothing.
fucking lots.
You're doing.
What are you doing, sausage? What am I doing? Sausage.
How you looking, Ryan?
Fucking beautiful.
Roasted garlic. Got my onions, barbecue, sausage. That's the tomatoes. And I'm gonna cook down some rapini.
What's it going there, Richard? You almost ready to play it?
Yep, it's going great.
Oh, this is what the fucking thing, you know? Here you go.
A little bit more olive oil.
Get this chili pepper in there. Fuck, it's going fantastic.
How precise you are bonging it up. Let me try your onions there. Hey.
I got lots of pepper.
You got what?
Lots of pepper. Not that much mushrooms. See, I'm glad I cooked them all.
little Parmesan. Finished off with a little bacon fat. So you can use butter. You can put a little bit of white wine in here. That shit.
Oh my god, this is my station.
Okay, you're finished.
Look, now you're dropping shit on the floor. Like a fucking pro.
Fresh Parmesan. A little bit of olive oil. Jealous, right?
Yep.
I have my 4 sausage pasta, rapini, roasted garlic, and tomatoes. Family dinner
No,
that took
that looks
15
really
minutes.
good. That looks really good. Now,
Okay, and what do you got?
My family dinner,
Okay.
which took like 6 minutes.
That
As
took
long as it
longer
took-
than 6.
I
That
was
took
done- I was
exactly
plated-
what I
no,
took.
I was plated before you, way before you.
I think
and
you're
I was,
plated.
I was fucking around having drinks and smoking and
Alright,
stuff.
alright.
But
So,
that
I
was
have,
beautiful. Look at it with the fucking chip. Mine's like a mixture of everything.
okay, yeah, you're right. Chips a little bit Canadian,
Well, I
beer,
got
Mexican.
Italian
You
sausage.
have the whole North American trade treaty.
Yeah.
Mexican beer, Canadian chips, American hot dogs.
Yeah, so we gonna try this shit?
Let's try it.
Man, let's try yours. You have a conglomerate of sausages in here. I want some
Fantastic.
parm. I want some parm. Which bun do you want?
I'm gonna take this one.
Sure. I'll bite it. Want to cut it in half? Oh, pepper fell off.
Come on, let's go.
Fuck about, look at me, chop chop chop, zing zing zing.
Cheers, my friend.
Cheers. Oh man. Alright, let's go.
That's good. Your sausages are good.
Mm.
Okay. With a full mouth,
Right.
we're gonna say bye.
No. Okay, fine.
Okay. Cheers, my friend.
Cheers. Excellent.
Thanks for watching Cooking with Rick and Rye, episode 8, right? 8.
8.
Eight.
I can't wait till we get to episode 69.
Doesn't matter what we're cooking on that one. Sexy sausages, and Rye didn't wear his apron. Thanks for watching.
Fucking camera crew. All they do is they come here and fucking eat our food, smoke their weed, drink their booze.